Hello everyone! Come with us on an unforgettable journey, an adventure into nature, into one of the oldest rainforests in the world. We are exploring Kenyir Lake, or Tasik Kenyir, with summer cruise. Watch this video on what to expect, what to prepare, and plan your own trip there. Stories on nature, culture, travel, and interesting things. Ideas on where to go, how to eat, and what to do. Let's make life more adventurous, colorful, and fun. Our journey begins in Kuala Lumpur. We drove about 5 to 6 hours, roughly 400 to 450 kilometers to Pangkalan Gawi, the starting point of our cruise at Kenyir Lake. This trip is extra special because the kids' grandparents are joining us. When we arrived at the jetty, summer cruise crew welcomed us and helped with all our luggage, making boarding effortless.
Mama, okay. One
We always go for adventures, but today is different because we have Papa here. Wow!
Having 3 generations from both sides of the family together on one boat is something we don't get to do often. We were greeted with drinks. Check-in process was smooth. There is an elevator on board. It is accessible even for the elderly, which made it easy for Grandma to move around. The rooms on the cruise are very comfortable. Each one comes with air conditioning, a private bathroom with a water heater, and all the basic toiletries. The ship has 12 rooms in total and is powered by both generator and solar panels. There is fast internet. You can get some remote work done. Once we settled in, it was time for our first adventure, the stunning multi-tier Lasir Waterfall.
Be careful or you're gonna fall down!
In our fast-paced lives, always chasing deadlines, it's easy to forget how quickly time passes. Moments like this remind us to slow down and make memories.
Ready?
I'm scared!
Why scared?
I don't want to go!
Back on the cruise, the fun continues. There's a slide, kayaks, and paddleboards for even more water activities. If you like this video, please support us with a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be alerted of new videos. Do drop a comment as we'd like to hear from you too. Thank you! We ended the day relaxing with family over a delicious Western dinner. On day 2, we entered Terengganu National Park to visit a Kelah Sanctuary. The Kelah, also known as Malayan Mahseer, is a native fish. Some species are actually threatened, so this sanctuary plays an important role in protecting them. We are now heading to the Kelah Sanctuary. They have built an elevated pathway to ease the walk for everybody. So we are kind of high up in the mid-canopy level. This enables us to observe the forest quite close to the canopy and also see the ground. Along the way, you can buy pellets to feed the fish. The fish are completely free swimming, similar to how they would gather where fruits fall from trees. They naturally converge around people because they associate us with food.
I'm in!
Go the mountain.
Go! Go! Go!
The guide told us you can put fish food into your mouth and have the kisses of 1,000 fishes. The moment we fed them, it was chaos in the best way possible. The kids absolutely love it. After a quick rest and lunch, we headed to Bewah Cave, a fascinating geological site where the Bewah Man was discovered.
Inside this glass box is a replica of a human skeleton, believed to be the oldest human skeleton found in Malaysia. Visitors need to bring their own light to explore the cave. It's better this way. It's more natural. You can feel the darkness of the cave. See the formation around the cave, find little cave creatures.
Later, we went on a boat ride, hoping to spot wildlife. One of the guests, Jason, is a bird enthusiast and brought along a long lens to photograph the birds. There are also some natural photo spots where the kids climb for photos. Theo even pretended to be a bird, teasing Jason the photographer. We enjoy another delicious dinner, a hearty steamboat meal, the perfect way to end a long activity-filled day. For the final morning, we went for a jungle hike through lowland dipterocarp forests, estimated to be over 130 million years old. One of the oldest rainforests in the world, surrounded by limestone cliffs and flowing streams. Our destination, a massive Melunak tree.
Can you believe this is 300 years old? It's older than your grandpa and of grandpa, of grandpa, of grandpa, of grandpa. Yeah.
Circling the tree, we celebrated how big it is and how it stands as a testament of our rich natural heritage, which we should strive to conserve together. 3 days pass way too quickly, but we are heading home with something priceless. Memories from meaningful time spent with family, swimming under waterfalls, laughing with the fish, exploring caves and ancient forests. The summer cruise experience was nothing short of unforgettable. If you have any questions about the trip, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'll do our best to help. Or contact the tour company we chartered, Summer Cruise, directly at the following number. If you like this video, please support us with a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be alerted of new videos. Do drop a comment, as we like to hear from you too. Thank you!